Doubled up and never got another bite. Well, that happens. Sometimes you don't double up and don't get any bite. All right, let's see what we got for a weight for boat 27, James and Nick. Put your big fish in first. Good, healthy fish. Very important to keep these fish good and healthy so we can get them back in the water. And Nick and Josh can come back. Nick and James can come back next year and catch them again. They're bigger. All right, 33.97 is their big fish. And he's mad.
46.29.
46.29, and that's in 2 fish. Let's give him a big round of applause. Great job. What'd you guys put in today? Columbia bottoms, all right. Did you keep a good eye on where these guys in the hot seats were at? Yeah. I'd remember that. All right, big smile. All right, good job. Let's give another round of applause. 46.29.